Hello everyone. Actually today I'm going to do a beautiful class. Okay, it's a very unique class. Okay, it's basically a doubt clarification. Okay, the doubt reads as follows. Okay, dear engineer Ammo Joan, I want to reinstall my Revit software. ليه يا عم ليه? Okay, because I have some problems in the section. Okay, طيب. With kind regards, baby alien. I don't want to continue his name. Okay, it's privacy reason. Okay, anyway. Okay, let me just tell you the story for this. Okay, let's start now. Okay, can we start now? Okay, first thing, click new. Okay, go to browse. Okay, go to US metric. أهم حاجة system default metric. Okay, this is the default metric template. حاضر يا عم يلا click OK. Okay, let it upgrade now. Okay, then what you will do, okay, let's just make this small. Okay, we don't want floor, we're doing it in firefighting, isn't it? So what you will do is first right click, duplicate. Okay, ceiling 1, right click, duplicate, thicker. Okay, then what you will do, select these two, right click, apply view template, click this أهم حاجة apply view template, click this. Okay, make sure you click mechanical ceiling. Okay, أهم حاجة. طيب يلا. After this, change the sub-discipline from where HVAC to what? Firefighting. طيب يا عم firefighting. Okay, click OK. Now what will happen when I click OK? This and this from the sub-discipline of HVAC, it will go to firefighting. Okay, thicker this, thicker has come up. Beautiful. Okay, now what I'll do is just close this. Okay, I am here, this becomes dark. So far so good. Okay, second story. Okay, see, these firefighting, let's say sub-discipline firefighting does not have these elevation. Same story. What you will do, right click, duplicate. Okay, right click, duplicate, right click, duplicate, and right click, duplicate. Okay, حاضر يا عم حاضر. Okay, this select these 4 elevation views. tell him انت من مصر انا من مصر يا عم. instead of HVAC اهم حاجة انت من firefighting اهم حاجة. طيب click OK. حاضر يا باشا حاضر. Click apply. When I click apply, these will go up. Okay, you see this? Okay, excellent. Okay, so far so good. Okay, what I will do now, click any of these elevation views. Okay, you have those, everything looking so good, everything is perfect. Alhamdulillah ya am, alhamdulillah. Right. Okay, the student is actually an Egyptian guy, so I'll have to. Anyway, let's move forward. أنا من مصر أنت من مصر يا عم. خلاص. Close everything. Okay, so things are going smooth now. Okay, we are in ceiling mechanical, everything looks good. Okay, discipline mechanical. Okay, everything is good. Okay, now what we'll do, we will link the Revit file. Okay, different procedures are there. Human procedure, insert tab, link Revit. Okay, or alien procedure, new Revit link, right click, new link. Anything what you like, do it. Okay, go and find your architectural file. Okay, this one. Okay, does not matter, auto origin to origin, manual origin, whatever, does not matter. Okay, click open. Okay, خلاص يعني موجود. Okay, procedure is what? Click edit type, room bounding, apply. Okay, pin it. Tell him انت من مصر انا من مصر. Remove this pin. Isn't, I don't select this object, isn't it? Okay, I'm not able to select the object. Okay, then what you do, tell him okay يا عم انت هنا انا هنا خلاص. Okay, move him here. Hello, beautiful. Keep this here. Double check. Go to elevation view. You can see the Revit file, the architectural file. So things looking very good. Okay. Firefighting, everything looks good. Okay. Now what we will do next? Go to elevation view. We are seeing it. That looks very good. Excellent. Okay. Everything looks good. Okay. Double click. Now what we will do? We want to link the AutoCAD file. عاوز AutoCAD file. أهم حاجة. Go to insert tab, link CAD. Okay. I think this is the sprinkler design. Click current view only, yes. Black and white, layers, yes. Manual origin. Tick. يلا. Click open. He asked أنت من مصر أنا من مصر. Okay. أنت من اسكندرية أنا من اسكندرية يا عم. خلاص يا عم. Close. Okay. Now this guy comes, you can place him anywhere. Okay, when you click here, he gives you an error. Why does he give you an error? He says half of the drawing is out. طيب يا عم خلاص انت مو من مصر انا مو من مصر يا عم خلاص. Okay, what I will do now, I'll move this here. Okay, but what happens in both are of the same color, isn't it? Just for visual appearance, just type VG, visibility graphics, go to imported category, this one. Okay, click one of them, select all, override, tell him which color. Let's say red, any color you want. Green, yalla. Say okay. Click apply, say okay. Khalas. I think green is too strong. Let's change the color. Too light, you know. Yalla. I think blue looks good. Okay, just apply and say this. What did I do? VG. Sorry, I did not click all. So click all. Everything looks good. Apply. Okay, thank you. Okay, now what I'll do, I'll bring this guy here, isn't it? How do I bring him here? Click, type AL, align. Okay, tikka واحد, tikka 2. Very good. Tikka this, perfect, huh? Just double click. So drawing looks perfect, isn't it? You just want to double check. Right click, go to elevation view. We can see the drawing. I think this looks very good, isn't it? Perfect. Now what I'll do, he said we want to see only sprinklers, isn't it? To VG. Okay, we do not know which layer these sprinklers are, isn't it? This escape, select the drawing. Okay, go to query, tell him click this. Yeah, I'm on a sprinkler layer. Okay, beautiful. 00 sprinkler. Okay, thank you. Go to VG, click this, say invert, isn't it? I say thank you for coming. شكرا يا باشا, عامل ايه؟ طيب يلا. Sprinklers are only available now. Okay, طيب. Go to the system tab. We're going to place sprinklers now. Sprinkler, yeah, on host and say انت من مصر انا من مصر يا تكة تكة خلاص. أهم حاجة تكة. Okay, now what we will do, go to the quick access toolbar and click section. Okay, 2 points, right click, go to view. خلاص يا عم موجود يا عم. طيب, now what we will do, we want to create a pipe for that, isn't it? A small layout. I'll do it fast. Okay, طيب, now what I will do, go to the pipe here, isn't it? Edit type, say duplicate. خلاص. Okay, we have it in carbon steel, isn't it? Not carbon. Carbon steel schedule 40, isn't it? Okay, just say okay. We'll have to do a lot of changes there. Load fan, threaded, etc. Okay, just give me an example here. Say okay, and we are not hydronic. It's going to be what? Fire protection, isn't it? Okay, so thicker. Okay, just did one small mistake here. With the size to be 25 millimeter, isn't it? Okay, 25 looks so good. tell him انت من مصر أنا من مصر. خلاص we made a section view. Right, okay, now you wanted to make it in red color, isn't it? Right, go to family, go to pipes, I would say go to pipe systems. Okay, we said it is wet, isn't it? Because this is fire protection wet. Right, right click, duplicate or no problem. Okay, type properties, edit graphic. Okay, tell him your red color أهم حاجة عند أحمر أهم حاجة because we firefight. Okay, and we would say pattern we would like it to be solid. Okay, شكرا يا باشا. Okay, I hope this drawing is clear now, isn't it? What we will do is select the, not just hover your sprinkler, tab, section box, موجود يا عم, one small part of the sprinkler. Okay, I hope you enjoyed today's class and hope Mohandas it's clear, aka baby alien, it's clear. Okay, if you have any doubts let me know. Okay, take care and have a nice day. Yalla yalla ya am, take care. Yalla, assalamu alaikum.